Hello everybody, welcome back to the Travel Bug Feeling channel. The Travel Bug is always with me. So today the adventure is a little bit, how should I put that, maybe far. Yeah, so because I decided to go to a place 200 kilometers from my house, so exactly now I am near Arcadas in Amparo. I just left Santo Antônio de Posse, so I went Limeira, Olambra, Santo Antônio de Posse, now Arcadas and Amparo. The idea today is going to JOANÓPOLIS. This is still in São Paulo state and is the capital of the Werewolf. Yes, the Werewolf. Did you know this word? Yeah, so people say that the werewolf lives around this place, so they kind of use this for like for call the attention. And there's also some waterfalls there, and another thing that is a surprise for the Piracicabanos people. Yeah, but anyway, someone might know what it is like. So I'm going to stop a little bit in Amparo to just to fill up the tank and stand up a little bit. This is more than 100 kilometers already. So the idea is to really go to JOANÓPOLIS, stay there, visit this waterfall called Black People Waterfall or Cachoeira dos Pretos. I don't know if it's because of the black people, but might be, can be, why not. And then return to Piracicaba and ride one more adventure with the Vespicha, and that's it. This is a beautiful road from Santo Antônio de Posse to Arcadas, full of going up and going down, and bicycles too, yeah. So I'll see you soon. When I get closer to the point there, I'm going to show you a little bit of the place. Okay. Look at this. Ooh. Wow. Let's go down here. Okay, so I am between Amparo and Bragança Paulista, so I'm going to keep going now until this battery goes off. This is it's a good road, it seems like, very flat, and links Amparo with Bragança Paulista. So yeah, let's see if it's beautiful. Yeah, it seems like there is a lot of motorbikers here because of the road. Besides being beautiful, there's a lot of curves, so yeah, nice place to come. I'm enjoying a lot. Woo. Still a little bit cold. beauty. So I just stopped in Bragança Paulista to change the battery actually, so I'm going now. Yeah. Okay, so I am at Fernão Dias highway. This highway is it's a PR and it links São Paulo to Belo Horizonte. Yeah, the capital of Minas Gerais, but here is still São Paulo. But I'm gonna take this for like 1 kilometer, I think, not even that, because there's a lot of trucks and it's not so good with this beach here, you know. So as you can see, there's a truck here, and I just decided to take this because it was like 1 kilometer or less than that, I don't know. So I'm going to take now here to Piracicaba. See here, that's it, done with Fernão Dias. I'm done with it. Piracicaba. See, now the road should be cool. Let's see how many kilometers. 18 kilometers. Okay. And probably plus 20. Yeah. 40 kilometers to go. So as I said before, JOANÓPOLIS is the capital of the Werewolf. The Werewolf, and is the capital. It's not the capital, but there's this waterfall. Is the highest waterfall in São Paulo state. I think it became famous mostly because of not just the waterfalls, but there are some like swimming pools, natural swimming pools where you can have a swim. And also because of the werewolf stuff, you know, like people really talk about it because it should be something. Yeah, they see the werewolf though never goes there on the full moon. Not a good idea. This region here is very beautiful and full of tourists and motorcycles. Okay, so this is Piracicaba. Where should I go? I think, as I could see, this is the way to Joanópolis. So Piracicaba is it's a very small city. Yeah, it's quite nice. There's no sign saying where I have to go, but I'm visiting Piracicaba at least. So let's see if I can find some signs here saying where I have to go. Bom, para eu ir para Joanópolis, para onde eu pego? Como é que eu faço para ir para Joanópolis?
Joanópolis é o seguinte, você vai seguir reto aqui. Lá em cima, vai seguir reto, vai ter uma rotatória lá embaixo, lá em cima. Você vai pegar a sua esquerda, não vai fazer um retorno para cá, vai passar reto. E vai seguir embora. Vai embora.
Aí, vai embora lá?
Vai embora reto.
É aquela...
Tem uma rotatória lá.
Tá.
Em vez de você entrar à sua direita e descer, você vai reto.
Tá.
Continua.
Tá.
Aí você vai embora, você vai pegar a rodovia e vai embora.
Tá bom. Tá escrito lá não?
Tá escrito.
Tá.
Tá tudo plaquinha. Só a hora que você começar a pegar a pista, quilômetro 83 e 81 lá, já vai estar assim, sentido Joanópolis.
Ah, beleza.
Tem sentido pra lá também.
Beleza.
Beleza?
Mas não é aquela estrada pequena, né? Que é mais...
Você tá ali só curva.
Isso, essa aí. Beleza.
Valeu.
Obrigado, viu?
Imagina.
Valeu. No, I was in the right direction. Yeah. Yeah, I could have asked here, but yeah, straight. Joanópolis. Okay, so I'm leaving Piracicaba. Let's see here. Bairro Peão. 22 kilometers. I don't know what this is. So far, very beautiful. Okay, so after a bit of a mistake, got the wrong road. I'm going towards Joanópolis now. A little bit late, but anyway, that's life. It's just come and go, see what it is like, and return to Piracicaba. Let's see. These things happen. I really need a GPS or phone holder here, so I don't have this problem, you know. Just to spend more gasoline, I would say. Yeah. That's what they do here. Yeah. Gotta be very aware of this motorcycle man. Yeah, I would say something else, but anyway. They're too fast. I go so fast I don't see the view. Okay, so here I am in JOANÓPOLIS, just arrived. I'm going to get into the city to see what it is like. Check the church. That's it. This is JOANÓPOLIS. Small city. Yeah. The church. A lot of things about the werewolf. Okay, so now I am going to the waterfalls called Cachoeira dos Pretos, the famous one here. And the road is like this. Wow. Look at the view. Here's the werewolf. Meu Deus, the botequim da cachaça. Very beautiful, I can see from here. Wow. There you are, Pretos Waterfall. Pretos Waterfall. Well, let's do it. Let's see what it is like. It's not good. Just come back. I think it's good, but oi, tudo bem? Paga já? Na volta? Pode deixar trancado? Beleza. Obrigado. here I am in the waterfall, and as you can see, there's a lot of motorcycles here. The place is beautiful. It's really interesting, but look how many motorcycles have just come. Oh my god, well, look at the place. And then if you look here, you can see the waterfall. Yeah, it's huge, enormous. I'm gonna try to find a place to pee because I need to pee now. See you soon. But anyway, here it starts the Piracicaba River, and two rivers that form our city's river. Very cool. That's the werewolf. The werewolf. Yeah, so people come and just give some points to him. Yeah, that's it. So I paid 5 reais because I came by motorcycle, but that's pizza. But if you come by car, it's 10 reais, then whatever you do here, you don't pay to visit. But yeah, it's a nice place, different place for visiting, and yeah, I hope you liked it. The views and everything. Here is the capital of the werewolf, and the highest waterfall in São Paulo state. Things to do. Look at her here. She's here. Very good. Okay, so I just left here. So as you could see, this JOANÓPOLIS is a very interesting city for you to visit. If you want to visit Brazil, if you want to visit some place in Brazil. And there are a lot of extreme sports. You can go up the waterfall and swim there. The guy just I was talking to a guy, he showed me his picture, and he showed me his video of him swimming on the top of the waterfall, the highest waterfall in São Paulo state. You can go up there, pay 20 reais and go up there, and you can swim. and also you can do zip lining and just enjoy the place there. There are a lot of restaurants, there are a lot of things for you to do. It's a nice place to visit, interesting place to come. And of course, as I said in the beginning, the special thing is that I saw that this is where the river, Piracicaba River, starts. So I came all the way from Piracicaba to see where the river of my city starts. And I'm very happy with this, very, very happy. I enjoyed a lot. But now, let's go home. If you like it, please subscribe, and if you want to have more content in English and enjoy some trips in Brazil, if you enjoyed it, just let me know. And subscribe, because there will be more and more videos. Okay, the adventure with La Vespicha has been very good. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Brazil is beautiful. Brazil is beautiful. Bye-bye.